Pagka pro level, okay na yan, okay na. May tina-target naman eh.
Oo. Kargado naman eh.
Van Sickle. Rondina. No entry.
But the coverage was there. Ang layo lang nung bounce ng bola.
And it's a block of the set brought to you by East West Bank.
Sabi niya sa akin, bawal mawalan ng kumpiyansa. And she actually told me that she still watches her best plays online, whether that's here indoor.
In the air we go. Tobino. Oh, good hands by both sides. The quick. Molde. Alba. Tobino. Tempiatura. Pablo. Ang ganda ng defense both sides. Ah! Look at the walk. Look at the walk.
But it was actually a good block again from Myla Pablo.
Talagang they have to start stronger like what they are doing in this match. At nawala yung sistema ni Coach Dante in that game. She even acknowledged that her blocking wasn't on point. But the silver lining is they still stayed together after that moment. Nag-uusap pa din sila. And today she said they're coming in with renewed spirits and better energy. Lisa just wants everyone to play their game.
You know, the nightmare of the previous game beginning to hound the Flying Titans. You know what Choco doesn't want to happen? Another freeze. They don't want to happen what happened last time around. Now that they're in the lead.
Oh!
4-0 run. Banang.
That's right. So the pressure is on for the Flying Titans. They had a comfortable lead.
Ano ba yan? Sabi ng Petrogas. Libre si Mendez. Nowhere to go.
Dalawang beses sumapit sa net yung serve ni Cici. Tight.
Nako, sikip.
A good block there from BBS. Which I understand din naman dahil grabe din yung mga pinapakuwalang palo ng Petrogas. But
hindi na huli ni Rondina.
Is that another kill block from Myla Pablo?
Choco with a 1-point lead here in the third. Molde denied. That defense is so airtight.
Very effective for them. But yung blockings din kasi na narinig natin na pinoint out ni Coach Dante na madalas na naiiwanan yung mga
totoo yan, ha?
Mga wing blockers nila kaya ang laki ng opening on the cross.
Rondina denied. You gotta get used to what the coaches want to do. Usually nadi-decide sa training yan. Mars is foiled, but it's inside. It's inside, and that will be the 19th point of Petro. Angels by 5. 5 in the second. If you're just joining us, first set went the way of Choco by the closest of margins, 26-24. In the meantime, Alba is there. And Molde.
It was inside.
In the meantime, it's still close and tight. Choco has a 1-point lead. Musa with the serve. Alba. Return to sender.
Good intention though from Royce Tobino. But grabe yung reach na yun ni Myla Pablo. Is for the Petrogas Angels na makabawi kaagad at hindi na hayaan lumaki yung lamang ng Flying Titans.
Stay close all the way. Rondina's shot is in the air. Here comes Tobino. And Rondina has no help at the back row.